Let's talk about equity investments. Equity investments is also known as stock investments, investing in stocks and shares. So when you hear the word equity investments, it simply means investments in shares and stocks. So what is investments? What is stocks? What is equity investments? Now let's say this is a company. A company is divided into shares. So which means when you are buying the shares of a company, you are buying a portion of that company. It means you have partial ownership of such a company. In this case now, let's say for this company now, a share is being sold for 5,000 naira per share. So you own 2 shares of this company. So which means 2 shares, which is a portion of that share. For instance, Seplat Energy Nigeria is being sold for 5,130 per share at the current price. So let's say you now own 2 shares. So I hope you get my points. So that is what we mean by equity investments, owning shares and stocks. So how do you make money through investment in stocks and shares? You make money through share price increase. Some people bought that Seplat as at 1,000 naira per share. As at today, it is now 5,130. I hope you get me. So which means they've made over 400% return on it. Dividend. Many companies pay dividend. Some once a year, some twice a year. There's even one Nigerian company that pays dividend 4 times a year, and some companies don't pay at all. So you need to know the company you are investing into. Number 3 is through bonus issue, which means they issue shares. Maybe it could be called 4 for 1, 3 for 1. All those terms, by the time you start learning about equity investments, you understand better. So that's another way you make money. For every 4 shares you have, you are given an extra share. And maybe let's say an extra share is being sold for 5,000 naira or 5,130, which means you are gaining 5,000. Those are just small numbers. We have people investing heavily. Femi Otedola in 2024, I think, invested like 36 billion in First Bank of Nigeria. I hope you are getting my points. The higher the funds you are investing in the company, the more the return you tend to enjoy. Another way you earn money, you make money through equity investments is through stock splits. Companies usually do stock splits, and you also earn money through that, because when they split your stock, it means you will now have more shares, and that share price can increase in value. Even though your fund is still the same, but the number of your shares have gone up. By the time the value also now goes up, that translates to income for you as an investor. Then you also need to understand the concept of trading and investing. There's a difference between the two. You can either make money through trading or through investments, or you can do both. It depends. But there are so many things that goes into the two. I'll be talking about the difference between trading and investing in equity in my next video. What is the difference between trading and investments? So we meet in our next video. Stay blessed.